Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors. Visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our complete inventory. This is a 2010 GLK350. The 350 is a 3.5 liter V6. It's all-wheel drive. It's called 4Matic. The color is Arctic white with black interior. The body's in excellent condition. The paint shines like new. This has the optional sport appearance package. Gives you 20-inch wheels and aluminum roof rails. Really makes a difference. Gives it a sporty look overall. Also equipped with electric tailgate. Just push the button on the key fob. Opens up. Here's a look at the cargo area. And to close it, you can either push the red button there or push the key fob again. We have a dual exhaust and also set up for a trailer hitch. I believe it's a Class 2. Beautiful styling, very up to date. Power seats on both sides, and the driver's side has a 3-position memory. This also has the electric tilt and telescoping steering wheel. It's equipped with a panorama roof. Opens up all the way. And it has power shades for front and rear. Has a left and right temperature control for the automatic climate control. Surround sound, premium sound system, satellite navigation, has backup camera, naturally it has Bluetooth, and it has satellite radio as well. This vehicle is equipped with the premium package. There's about a $3,000 option. Some of the things that are included, that all the mirrors are self-dimming, the satellite radio, the power lift gate, panorama roof, and a few other items as well. Also, it has the multimedia package, which includes a rear view camera, voice control, telephone, radio and navigation, hard drive navigation, and the 7 speakers surround system. And I told you about the sport appearance package, and those options add up to about $7,000. So very nicely equipped GLK. Here's the a look at the very sporty looking front end. I think white is one of the best colors on this model. It's in great shape, drives excellent. Thank you for your time, and give us a call to schedule a time to view this vehicle in person.